Hey guys, this is Nandan from Beta Console. Today in this video, we'll move one step ahead in C programming series. We'll learn to add two numbers and display the output. Let's start by writing the header files. For that, we need to write hash include stdio.h. This will include all the header files required for standard input output operations. After this, we need to write main function. Main function is the line from this line the program will start executing. Then let's write one function called clr It is just a keyword used to clear the screen. Then let's initialize three variables called number1, number2 and sum. In this program, because we are adding the two numbers and we have to store that result somewhere, right? For that I am using some variable. So let's initialize these numbers. So I'll set number 1 for 14 and number 2 for 26. Then in the sum variable I'll add both the numbers, number 1 plus number 2, and with the semicolon. Then let's write one printf statement to write the result. O/n for new line, we'll write addition of two numbers to percentage d because we have store result in integer value, and sum. Get ch to hold the screen, and we are not returning anything, that's why I'm using return 0. And with the bracket, let's save this. Alt F9 to compile. Check if there are any errors. So we have one error. Okay, so we have to declare variables before any function. So after integer declaration I'll write clear scene function clr and number. Let's save this, compile once again. 9. So check there are no errors. Then let's run this, control F9. So addition of the two numbers is 40.